Did you know that something as simple as walking can add years to your life? Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of walking for longevity. Before we get started, remember to hit that subscribe button below for more health tips like this. Better blood circulation. Let's kick things off with better blood circulation. When you walk, your heart pumps faster, sending more oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. This helps keep your organs healthy and functioning well. Improved circulation also means quicker healing and better skin health. Combating the risk of dementia. Walking isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. Studies have shown that regular walking can reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease as you age. It keeps your mind sharp and improves cognitive function. So lace up those shoes and take a stroll for a healthier brain. Improved metabolism. Boosting your metabolism is another perk of walking. As you move, your body burns calories, which can help with weight management and maintaining a healthy metabolism. Even a brisk walk can rev up your metabolism for hours afterward, making it easier to manage your weight over time. Vitamin D boost. Getting outside for a walk also exposes you to natural sunlight, which helps your body produce vitamin D. This essential vitamin supports bone health, immune function, and even mood regulation. Just remember to wear sunscreen if you'll be walking during peak sun hours to protect your skin. Getting the body moving. Our bodies are designed for movement, and walking is a simple way to get them going. Whether it's a leisurely stroll or a brisk walk, every step you take contributes to better overall health. Regular movement like walking can also reduce stiffness, improve flexibility, and enhance your overall quality of life. Better blood pressure control. If you struggle with high blood pressure, walking can be a game changer. It's an effective way to lower blood pressure naturally and reduce the risk of heart disease. By walking regularly, you help keep your heart strong and your blood vessels clear, promoting better cardiovascular health. Improved digestion. Lastly, walking aids in digestion by stimulating the muscles in your abdomen. This helps move food through your digestive system more efficiently, reducing bloating and discomfort. After a meal, a gentle walk can aid digestion and improve your overall gut health. So there you have it, walking isn't just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your longevity and overall well-being. From better blood circulation to a healthier brain and improved digestion, the benefits of walking are truly remarkable. Lace up those shoes, step outside, and start walking your way to a longer, healthier life. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life through simple everyday habits from Life of Longevity. Thanks for watching. Until next time.